Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JABRA Elite C75 headphones and I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first, check if you have your Bluetooth device paired. If you don't, you just have to at first go into pairing mode with your headphones by holding these buttons for at least 3 seconds and then pairing your device. If it doesn't give anything good, you have to just disable or enable Bluetooth again. If it doesn't give anything good, you just have to hard reset them. To hard reset them, you just have to put your fingers on these buttons and hold them for at least 10 seconds at least. If it didn't succeed, you just have to contact your device support. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.